The future depends on what we do in the present. For a man to conquer himself is the first and noblest of all victories. There is no magic wand that can resolve our problem. The solution resides with our work and discipline. The first and best victory is to conquer self. One half of life is luck, the other half is discipline. And that's the important half. For without discipline, you wouldn't know what to do with luck. The fact is, discipline is only punishment when imposed on you by someone else. When you discipline yourself, it's not punishment but empowerment. Self respect is the fruit of discipline, the sense of dignity grows with the ability to say no to oneself. Success is actually a short race, a sprint fueled by discipline just long enough for habit is kicked in and take over. It's been said that there are only two pains in life, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. And the discipline weighs one ends, while regret weighs stones. I could only achieve success in my life through self discipline, and I applied it until my wish and my will become one. We do today what they want, so tomorrow we can accomplish what they can't. Compassion, tolerance, forgiveness, and a sense of self-discipline are qualities that help us lead our daily lives with a calm mind. The chains of habit are generally too small to be felt until they are too strong to be broken. A disciplined mind leads to happiness, and an undisciplined mind leads to suffering. A leader leads by example. Whatever he intends to or not. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. You can accept reality or you can persist in your purpose until reality accepts you. Discipline yourself to do the things you need to do when you need to do them, and the day will become when you will be able to do the things you want to do when you want to do them. Commitment is an act, not a word. For every discipline, effort there is a multiplier reward. Self-discipline is when your consciousness tells you to do something and you don't talk back. You will be given another day of life. How will you use it? Will you wait until tomorrow, as we done for years, or decide today is the day you commit to actions? Nothing so needs reframing as other people's habit. Suffer the pain of discipline, suffer the pain of regret. It was character that got us out of bed, commitment that moved as into action, and discipline that enables us to follow through. The quality of a person's life in the direct proportion to their commitment to excellence regardless of their chance field of and over. Discipline builds character, character builds confidence, and confidence character a strong foundation for success. Your daily habits use the power of change your life. We all have dreams, but in order to make dreams come into reality, it takes an awful lot of determination, dedication, self-discipline, and effort. The most intelligent men, like the strongest, found their happiness where other would find only desire in the labor rate. Their delight is in self-mastery, the regret, a difficult task. Respectable character is developed by consistency in self-discipline and self-control. Taking responsibility is a commitment to own your life, to self-leadership, growth and freedom. The biggest commitment you must keep is your commitment to yourself